another windy day here in Quartzsite. Really didn't know it was going to be windy today, but here we are, another one. Last really windy day we had was probably like about 3 days ago, I think. And today it just seems like it's been just as bad. And yes, it does get windy quite a few days here in Quartzsite during the winter. Every year that we've come out here, you can expect this to happen quite frequently, especially in January, December as well, I guess. But it seems like January, the high winds just really seem to pick up. Because you have a lot more, you have all those winter storm systems that develop to the north of here and brings the high winds this way, I guess. Storms coming from the west, moving from the west to the east. And yeah, that's what happens. You can probably expect about a windy day, really windy day like this once a week once we get into January.